Oh, yeah! Hello, I'm Little Hippo. Welcome to the magical world of Alphabetville. Oh, lots of magical creatures live here. They're called letters.
What? Yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Woohoo!
Well, look at that.
Yippee!
Letters don't need magic to form words. They just need to be arranged in the right order. Oh, yeah! Do you want to learn more about the letters of the alphabet? Well, follow us into the magical world of Alphabetville.
Hi! Nice to meet you. I'm the letter B. Yippee! Birds in the sky, a bug down below, a boy in a boat ready to row. In a big box, a bike and a ball. These start with B. Can you spot them all? Help me find the items on the page that start with my letter. Tap them with your finger, one by one. Boat. Birds. Big box. Bike. Ball. Woo! Bug. Boy. Ooh, amazing. You did a wonderful job. Are you ready to meet the rest of my friends? Always remember to trace the letter before you continue on your adventure. Wow! Good job! Woo! Woohoo! Hello, I'm the letter D. I'm so glad to see you. Ducks swim and quack. Dogs bark and dig. Deer can run fast. Dad's tall and big. I play for hours with my new doll. These start with D. Can you spot them all? Yeah! Help me find the items on the page that start with my letter. Ducks. Deer. Doll. Dogs. Dad. Great job. You did it. Don't forget to trace the letter before you go. Woohoo! Amazing! Great job! Woohoo! Hello, I'm the letter F. Nice to meet you. One friendly fox looking for more. He finds some friends. Now there are 4. Fairies love flowers, pretty and small. These start with F. Can you spot them all? Friendly fox, flowers, fairies, friends. You're doing great. Trace the letter before you continue on your adventure. Amazing! You did a wonderful job. Hello, I'm the letter H. I'm so glad to see you. Henry's house is high on a hill. His happy horse never stands still. Henry plays horn down by City Hall. These start with H. Can you spot them all? Find the items on the page that start with my letter. Happy horse. Hall. Horn. Henry. Henry's house. Hill. Great job! Don't forget to trace the letter before you go. Yippee! You did it! I knew you could. Woohoo! Hello, I'm the letter J. Nice to meet you. The jaguar jumps with open jaws, but he eats jello and has soft paws. Jars of jelly make a neat wall. These start with J. Can you spot them all? Booyah! Find the items on the page that start with my letter. Jaguar. Jars of jelly. Jello. Yippee! You're doing great. Trace the letter before you continue on your adventure. All right, that was cool. Woohoo! Hello, nice to meet you. I'm the letter L. Woohoo! When the lion roared loudly, the lizard jumped into a lemon tree. Through the leaves, he started to crawl. These start with L. Can you spot them all? Yeah! Find the items on the page that start with my letter. Lion. Lizard. Lemon tree. Leaves. Yeah! Great job! You did it! Don't forget to trace the letter before you go. Amazing! Great job! Woohoo! Hello, it's so great to meet you. I'm the letter N. Neat in a line sit 19 nuts. The nutcracker cracks them when it shuts. In the night I can hear an owl call. These start with N. Can you spot them all? Find the items on the page that start with my letter. Woohoo! 19 nuts. Woohoo! Nutcracker! You're doing great. Trace the letter before you continue on your adventure. Woohoo! Woohoo! You're doing great. Woohoo! Hi, I'm the letter P. It's so great to meet you. Pears and pasta, peaches and peas. That pig will eat whatever you please. He must be the greediest pig of all. These start with P. Can you spot them all? Find the items on the page that start with my letter. Pig, pasta, pears, peaches, peas. Great job! Don't forget to trace the letter before you go. Yippee! You did it! I knew you could.
I'm the letter R. I'm so glad to see you. Woohoo! This rabbit is a clever guy. Among the roots, he's warm and dry. Rhino gets wet when the rain starts to fall. These start with R. Can you spot them all? Booyah! Find the items on the page that start with my letter. Rabbit, rhino, rain. Roots. You're doing great. Trace the letter before you continue on your adventure. Amazing! You did a wonderful job. Hello.
Hello.
I'm the letter U.
I'm V.
And I'm W. Nice to meet you. Umbrellas keep us nice and dry.
Vines climb trees toward the sky.
Wolf is big, but her cubs are small.
U, V, W.
Can you spot them all?
Find the items on the page that start with our letters.
Wolf! Umbrellas!
Vines!
Wow! You're doing great. Trace the letter before you continue on your adventure.
Woohoo! You did it!
Amazing!
Hello! Nice to meet you. I'm the letter X.
I'm Y.
And last but not least, I'm Z. Xylophones make a lovely song.
Yachts on the sea, whizzing along.
Zebra's the last of all animals.
X, Y,
Z.
can you spot them all?
Find the items on the page that start with our letters. Xylophones.
Yachts.
Zebra. Amazing! Now you know all the letters of the alphabet.
Don't forget to trace the letters before you go.
We never say goodbye here in Alphabetville. We say, see you later. We know we'll see each other again soon. Ooh, don't forget to keep practicing and be sure to learn your numbers on our counting adventure.
Yeah!
See you later.